I earn up $100 a day with every email I open. So do you think I'm lying to you? Well, I opened this email, a few seconds later I transfer the money to my wallet. So let me tell you step by step how I earned this way. Today we are going to work using this special site called volatech.com. On the first page of this site, you can see that it is written that we can earn up by opening emails and viewing it. You don't need any expertise or money to earn income through email, and you can earn income easily. You can see that all people from different countries have been able to earn from this site. So wherever you are in the world, you can earn from this site. To start working, it is enough to register on the site, and after clicking on the register option, you will enter another page where a form will be shown to you, which will show you information such as a few username and also your email address for sending emails. It needs to be able to generate income. An important point that you must consider for your email, it is add a non-work email in this section. Also, if you are looking for more videos to learn how to earn money online, be sure to subscribe to the channel and like the videos. Well, after completing your information, be sure to read and confirm the condition. Also, if you don't want to receive miscellaneous emails that have no revenue, do not confirm this option in any way. After all these works, it is enough to confirm the site confirmation email that was sent to you. Also, you can get the methods of how to add email address to email contacts from this exciting link. But don't worry, I will explain to you how to do this right now. But is this useful? I would say yes, because it makes you receive more emails and earn more money. In the first step, we click on these 3 points and then click on filter message like this and click on the filter option, and from the available options, sort it, never send it to a spam, and in the category section, click on primary and then apply the changes from this section. In the second step, click on the contacts and select this email address and then add it to your contacts, and that's it. Now you will receive email containing a message every day, each of which contains advertising links. By opening each of them, you will receive 10 to 20 cents. What the advantages of this work is that you can have a lot of income without having time and face restrictions and with just a phone or laptop. Well, now you see that I have received an email. So I open the emails and then click on the link. Now let's go and see if these emails will give us income. After opening your advertising site, just stay in this section for 30 seconds and get 15 cents. 10 minutes later, you can see that after 10 minutes, I have received more than 20 emails. That if we want to calculate the amount of income, in 1 hour, we can receive 120 emails. So if we receive 15 cents from each email, we can earn $18 in 1 hour. Since this site sends us these emails every day. That's why I'm going to give myself a challenge to open all emails in 24 hours to see how much I can earn during this time. So if you want to know the answer to the challenge, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We introduce all the news and the monetization links as well as sites with high monetization on the Telegram channel. So be sure to become a member so you don't miss this opportunity. Now this time, to receive income, you can withdraw your income from the money section of the site by choosing the type of wallet. The income you withdraw from this site can be from the lowest 10 cents to the highest 50 cents dollars. So you can withdraw your income every day. In this video, 10 sites have been introduced to you from which you can earn up to $1,000 per day. So watch the video right now and don't miss the opportunity to make easy money.